The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 codename reveals a lot of information to look forward to. The iPhone X in gold just made an official appearance, and it wasn't from Apple. And if you're having battery issues on your Apple Watch Series 2, you're not alone. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from Rome, and if you want to see what I'm up to, make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals, as the essential phone seems to be that gift that keeps on giving. If you're in the market for a good smartphone, right now it's at $399 on Amazon, and it just continuously gets deals. It's still a great phone. Not the best camera in the world, but for that price tag, I think it's really hard to compete with it. Now, this is one thing that I really don't understand. I mean, we just came from MWC, we saw the Xperia XZ2, and the company just silently announced their new XZ2 Premium, which is the phone we were expecting to see at MWC. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, in addition to all the bells and whistles, and most important, we have dual cameras coming from Sony. This is a monochrome sensor with a ton of new processing names that you know Sony is famous for. Let's just see that they actually take advantage of the cameras that they make, because they make those sensors. Now, for those of you that have been noticing issues with your Apple Watch battery, in the case of the Apple Watch Series 2, up to the case of the battery inflating and pretty much expanding your display, I highly suggest you look forward to talking to Apple, because you will be getting 3 years of free repairs for that watch. Make sure you take it to an Apple store. That means the battery is definitely unsafe. I don't recommend you continue using it until you get it checked. And speaking of Apple, if you remember when the iPhone X was beginning to emerge in leaks, we saw 3 colors, the white, the black, and there was this blush gold unit that we never saw. And well, now it made an appearance on the FCC. Not as blush as we saw in the leaks. This is more just a regular gold, but apparently the rumors are that this is going to be a limited edition iPhone X, meaning I hope the price tag doesn't go any crazier just for the color. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I can't wait to see what this phone is going to be like. I'm really enjoying my time with the Galaxy S9 Plus and S9. As it turns out, if you remember, the code names for the S9 were Star. The code name for the Galaxy Note 8 was Great. This time, the code name for the Galaxy Note 9 is Crown. What is the crown of Samsung Galaxy smartphones going to bring? Is it going to be better specs? It has to be more than just an S9 Plus with an S Pen, in my opinion. But what about you? In the comments, let us know. What do you think Samsung is going to bring as the crown of their smartphones? What do you think the feature is going to be? In my case, I don't know. I hope they bring more RAM. I hope they bring more usability and some feature that'll make it a Vanguard phone as it used to be. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch last week's on Friday Pocketnow Daily up here, and our review of the iPhone X down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.